Honeybees are amazing insects. They are small, but incredibly powerful and essential to our environment. They live in large groups called colonies. Each colony can have thousands of bees working together in perfect harmony. These colonies work together to make honey, a sweet and sticky food that we all love. Honey is not just a treat for us, it's also the bees' food source. Honeybees are very important because they help plants grow by pollinating them. Pollination is the process of transferring pollen from one flower to another, which helps plants produce fruits and seeds. Imagine a world without flowers. It would be dull and lifeless without the vibrant colors and sweet scents. That's what it would be like without honeybees. They play a crucial role in maintaining the beauty and diversity of our natural world. They help flowers make seeds which grow into new plants. This cycle of life is essential for the survival of many plant species. Without bees, we would have fewer fruits, vegetables, and beautiful flowers. Our diets would be less varied and nutritious. Bees are fascinating creatures with a complex social structure and vital role in our ecosystem. Each bee has a specific job, from the queen to the workers and drones. Let's learn more about these buzzing wonders. Their hard work and dedication are truly inspiring and essential for our planet's health. Every beehive has one special bee called the queen bee. She is the central figure in the hive, the one who ensures the survival and continuity of the colony. She is the largest bee in the hive and has an important job laying eggs. Her size and role make her easily distinguishable from the worker bees. The queen bee can lay thousands of eggs in her lifetime. This incredible feat ensures that the hive remains populated and thriving. The queen bee is responsible for keeping the colony going. Her presence and productivity are vital for the hive's health and growth. Her eggs hatch into all the different types of bees in the hive. From worker bees to drones, each bee has a role that supports the hive's complex structure. Without a queen bee, the hive wouldn't survive. The worker bees would become disoriented, and the colony would eventually collapse. She has a special scent called pheromones that tells all the other bees she is in charge. These pheromones help maintain order and harmony within the hive. The queen bee is truly the heart of the hive. Her leadership and tireless work ensure that the hive remains a bustling, productive community. Most bees in a hive are worker bees. These busy bees do all sorts of jobs to keep the hive running smoothly. Young worker bees clean the hive and feed the larvae. As they grow, their jobs change. They start building and guarding the hive, and of course they collect nectar and pollen from flowers. Worker bees are incredibly organized and efficient, working together seamlessly for the good of the entire colony. Their lives are short but essential for the hive's survival. From flower to hive, the making of honey. The journey begins with a single bee flying towards a vibrant flower, drawn by its sweet scent and bright colors. Honeybees make honey from the nectar they collect from flowers. They diligently visit countless blossoms, gathering nectar and pollen which are essential for their hive's survival. They use their long tongues to suck up the nectar and store it in a special sac called a honey stomach. This process is repeated many times as they move from flower to flower. Back at the hive, they pass the nectar to other bees. This transfer is a crucial step in the honey-making process, ensuring that the nectar is properly processed. These bees chew on the nectar, adding special enzymes to it. This enzymatic action breaks down the complex sugars in the nectar, transforming it into a simpler form. The nectar is then placed in honeycomb cells and fanned with their wings to dry it out. This fanning helps to evaporate the excess moisture, thickening the nectar. Finally, the nectar turns into thick, sweet honey. This golden liquid is stored in the honeycomb, ready to be sealed with beeswax. It's their food store for the winter. During the cold months, bees rely on this honey to provide them with the necessary energy to survive until spring. The importance of honeybees, nature's little helpers. Honeybees are incredibly important for our planet. They are responsible for pollinating a huge variety of plants, including many of the fruits and vegetables we eat. Without honeybees, our food supply would be in danger. They are essential for maintaining biodiversity and the health of our ecosystems. It's crucial that we protect these vital creatures and ensure they continue to thrive. Protecting our pollinators. Sadly, honeybee populations have been declining in recent years. This is due to various factors including habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. We can all do our part to help protect honeybees. Planting bee-friendly flowers, avoiding pesticide use, and supporting local beekeepers are just a few ways to make a difference. Protecting honeybees means protecting our planet and ensuring a healthy future for all.